My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site rplnd52.com. This site rplnd52.com is totally faulty and very deceptive. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on a special allow button supposedly to help people watch some video, but in reality clicking on allow is dangerous. This would hijack your browser with a lot of pop-ups that would be attacking the screen from time to time. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Now in Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. So if you find any junk sites here, you should remove them from the list. Make sure you get rid of all of them. I would also recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start thoroughly researching and investigating your system in order to detect and remove other infections from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.